Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. Today we'll be talking about Azure Service Fabric. Let's understand what is Azure Service Fabric. Azure Service Fabric is a distributed systems platform that makes it easy to package, deploy, and manage scalable and reliable microservices and containers. Service Fabric also addresses the significant challenges in developing and managing cloud-native applications. Developers and administrators can avoid complex infrastructure problems and focus on implementing mission-critical, demanding workloads that are scalable, reliable, and manageable. Service Fabric represents the next-generation platform for building and managing these enterprise-class, Tier 1, cloud-scale applications running in containers. Azure Service Fabric Resource Provider is available in all Azure regions and is compliant with all compliance certs that Azure has. This includes the following: SOC, ISO, PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR. Service Fabric enables you to build and manage scalable and reliable applications composed of microservices. These distributed microservices run at high density on a shared pool of machines, which is referred to as a cluster. Service Fabric provides a sophisticated, lightweight runtime that supports stateless and stateful microservices. It also provides comprehensive application management capabilities to provision, deploy, monitor, upgrade, patch, and delete deployed applications. Service Fabric is tailored to create cloud-native services that can start small, as needed, and grow to massive scale with hundreds or thousands of machines. Today's Internet-scale services are built of microservices. Examples of microservices include protocol gateways, user profiles, shopping carts, inventory processing, queues, and caches. Service Fabric powers many Microsoft services today, including Azure SQL Database, Azure Cosmos DB, Cortana, Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Intune, Azure Event Hubs, Azure IoT Hub, Dynamics 365, Skype for Business, and many core Azure services. Let's understand key capabilities of Azure Service Fabric. By using Service Fabric, you can deploy to Azure or to on-premises data centers that run Windows or Linux with zero code changes. Write once, and then deploy anywhere to any Service Fabric cluster. Develop scalable applications that are composed of microservices by using the Service Fabric programming models, containers, or any code. Develop highly reliable stateless and stateful microservices. Simplify the design of your application by using stateful microservices. Use the novel Reliable Actors programming model to create cloud objects with self-contained code and state. Deploy and orchestrate containers that include Windows containers and Linux containers. Service Fabric is a data-aware, stateful, container orchestrator. Deploy applications in seconds, at high density with hundreds or thousands of applications or containers per machine. Deploy different versions of the same application side by side, and upgrade each application independently. Manage the lifecycle of your applications without any downtime, including breaking and non-breaking upgrades. Scale out or scale in the number of nodes in a cluster. As you scale nodes, your applications automatically scale. Monitor and diagnose the health of your applications and set policies for performing automatic repairs. Watch the resource balancer orchestrate the redistribution of applications across the cluster. Service Fabric recovers from failures and optimizes the distribution of load based on available resources. Hope you enjoyed our audiobook about Azure Service Fabric. For more audiobooks, please check our site www.cloudaudiobooks.in or download Cloud Expert app from Google Play Store. Hey, don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.